Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to download Linux openSUSE ISO. So without further ado, let's get right into it. openSUSE is a free and open-source Linux distribution developed by the openSUSE project. It is offered in two main variations, Tumbleweed, an upstream rolling release distribution, and Leap, a stable release distribution sourced from SUSE Linux Enterprise. Both variations come with 3 different desktop environments to choose from: KDE Plasma, GNOME, and Xfce. They use Zypper as their package manager. To download openSUSE, open your preferred browser and search for openSUSE. Proceed to the official openSUSE website. Now choose your variation, Tumbleweed or Leap, and click on Install. Then go to Download, choose your version, and select either the offline image or network image, and click on Download. The offline image is typically recommended as it contains most of the packages available in the distribution, and does not require a network connection during installation. The network image is recommended for users with limited bandwidth, as it will only download the packages they choose to install, which is likely to be significantly less than 4.7 gigabytes. A window will open, allowing you to choose where to save the downloaded file. You also have the option to edit the file name if desired. Finally, click on Save, and the openSUSE ISO file will begin downloading. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to share more with you. So, until next time, see you later.